Hey everyone, welcome to AIWebBiz ISAT, where the future meets creativity. So let's dive into a big question that's been trending all over the internet. Will AI replace artists? Honestly, it's complicated. AI tools today can create music, paint pictures, write stories, and even design logos. Some of it looks amazing, even emotional, but here's the truth. AI doesn't create from feeling silhouettes. It creates from data. IT learns from what already exists. Artists, on the other hand, create from pain, joy, love, struggle, memories, and dreams. That's not something a machine can feel, at least not yet. But here's where it gets interesting. Tao. Instead of replacing artists, AI is becoming a powerful tool for artists. Think of it like a paintbrush or an instrument. The artist still decides what to make. SAI just helps make it faster, sharper, or more unique. And let's be real. ITA can copy styles, but it can't start a new movement. It can't create the next Picasso, BTS, or Taylor Swift. That spark of originality, still 100% human. However, we do have to talk about the risks. Some artists fear losing jobs. And yes, as some companies are already choosing AI-generated content to save time and money. That's the reality. But at the same time, new creative jobs are being born. UA, say A, content curators, prompt engineers, human AI storytellers. We're not seeing the end of creativity. Taisi, we're seeing its evolution. So will I replace artists? No, but artists who learn how to use AI will replace those who don't. It's not about man versus machine anymore, Ase. It's about man with machine. The future is collaboration. If you're a creator, this is your moment to explore, experiment, and express in ways you never could before. What do you think? Will AI become the next superstar artist or just a digital assistant? Drop your thoughts in the comments, like this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI plus creativity insights. Only on AIWebBiz. See you in the next one.